Fuel supply issue in Yamaha R15 V3 and other Yamaha models. How to fix it and associated costs. Yamaha R15 V3 and other models in the Yamaha lineup are known for their impressive performance and reliability. However, many riders have reported facing fuel supply issues that affect engine performance, leading to rough idling, stalling, and poor acceleration. This issue can often be traced to clogged fuel injectors, fuel pump failure, or problems with the fuel filter. Over time, these components can wear out due to prolonged use, poor fuel quality, or lack of maintenance. The fuel injectors are crucial in delivering the right amount of fuel to the engine, and when they get clogged, the engine's performance can drop significantly. Similarly, a malfunctioning fuel pump can prevent adequate fuel from reaching the engine, causing issues like stalling or hesitation during acceleration. A dirty fuel filter can restrict the flow of fuel, exacerbating these problems. How to fix it? To address the fuel supply issue, you'll need to clean or replace the fuel injectors, check and potentially replace the fuel pump, and change the fuel filter. Costing fuel injector cleaning or replacement can range between Rs 1,300 to Rs 5,000. Replacing a fuel pump can cost Rs 2,000 to Rs 7,000, and fuel filter replacement may be around Rs 500 to Rs 2,000. Labor charges will vary depending on your location but can range from Rs 500 to Rs 2,000.